from Chattanooga and Bridgeport. Never seen a Union Pacific come from Chattanooga, Tennessee, Bridgeport, Alabama, but this is Stevenson, Alabama. But he came from Chattanooga. Doing a semi truck, whatever. That's not no semi truck. It's like a truck carrying oil or something. One time a Union Pacific went on the CSX track, and another one did too. But now it's on the NS track. Sorry. They waved at me, but they didn't stick out the window, and they also honked at me. It's a pretty long one. I mean, it's not even 3 minutes, so yeah, it is 3 minutes now. So it should be longer than 3. It should be like 5 or 6 minutes or 4. But they can be 3 sometimes. Usually the Norfolk Southern, BNSF, and Union Pacific I catch are only like 5, 6, or 4 minutes long. There's a spam calling me. Mama, there was a spam calling me. But I hanged up. I don't know if I hanged up or not, but it did mess up the video. I was talking to my mom, guys. I thought it would mess up the whole video. Is that GB Hunt way over there? Yeah, that. Woo! It's been 4 minutes. Not over yet. I think there's a CSX coming too from Bridgeport again, from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Yep, that is GB Hunt. I used to think the Union Pacific and BNSF were Norfolk Southern trains, but no. When I look it up, sometimes it's different. There are numbers on there. I think that was a new paint scheme. No, I don't think it was. I just talk a lot when I'm excited. And I am excited, dude. Oh, here comes Swift. all the way down over there. 2 of them, actually. There goes Swift. Oh, is that the end? No. Ooh, it's a pretty long one. It's almost 6 minutes. I thought it was CSX at first because CSX and Union Pacific kind of look the same, kind of far away. I mean, they kind of do. Thought that was the end. I think that's the end way down over there. Or they might be empty cars. No, they're not empty cars. They're just normal. It's almost the end on it. I like some of the graffiti on here. It looks kind of realistic, but not all of it. Nope, there's the end. We got another one coming too. There it goes.